Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in this interesting series of the video. This is Ashtanga Hruday, which is very popular Ayurvedic Samhita Granth or compendia from Bruhat Trai. Trai means three. Charaka Samhita, Sushrut Samhita, and Ashtanga Hruday together, having a huge knowledge of Ayurveda. So they are called as Bruhat Trai. And these all the texts are very popular, not in India, but all over the world. Especially this Ashtanga Hruday is like a small guide for our practice. So this video is useful for students, for professors, for the doctors, and also for the common man to understand Ayurveda in a simplified manner. So this is Ashtanga Hruday Sutrasthan, chapter 5, Drava Dravya Vijnaniya, Vijnan is the science, part 7. I have already uploaded all the previous chapters from chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and different parts. And this will continue up to the chapter number, yes, 30. Presented by myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Raghuveer Deshpande. I am from Pune, Maharashtra State, India. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in also Ayurvedic physiology, two MDs, two post-graduations. So this video, which is having shlokas with Sandhi Vigraha, Ashtanga Hruday, Sutrasthan Guti of only shlokas with Sandhi Vigraha, PDF is prepared by RRD, Professor Deshpande, and is available on payment. So you can WhatsApp me immediately on 92268 So let us start chapter 5, Dravadravya Vijnani, part 7. This is the last part of chapter 5. Okay, from slok number 79 to slok number 84. Total shlokas in chapter 5 are 84. That's why the chapter is divided by Professor Deshpande in 7 parts, easy to understand. Each part nearly 15 minutes to half an hour. Good explanation. Important questions in all the video. In each video, there is important question. Properties of kanji and properties of urine or the mutra. Kanji, that is also called as a dhanyamla. Kanji, dhanyamla, prepared from rice and such other grains. Rice and grains, kanji. Dhanyamlam, properties, bhedi, tikshna, ushna, pittakrita, sparsha, shitalam, shlama, klama, haram, rucham, deepanam, basti, shula, nut, sandhi vigraha. Sandhi vigraha always easy to understand. Dhanyamla, that is kanji. Dhanyamla is called as a kanji. What is that? Liquor prepared by fermenting the water in which rice and such other grains, pulses, etc. have been slightly cooked or merely washed. This is dhanyamla, is a purgative, bhedi, not laxative, purgative. Okay, strong defecation, smooth stools, liquid stools, penetrating in the srotas, hot in potency, ushna and pittakrit. So very, very careful when you are using for pitta dominant patient. Don't use it. Pitta dominant disease. Don't use it. Very hot summer, very hot sun outside. Be careful while using dhanyamla or kanji. Cold to touch, relieves the fatigue and exhaustion, increases the appetite and hunger, useful in pain of urinary bladder. If there is a colic like pain, then this is very useful to control the pain related with urinary tract, especially if it is like with ashmari, then also you can use that dhanyamla. Prepared rice and such other grains, shastam, it's a continuation, 79 and 80. Shastam, very good. Asthapane, hrudyam, laghu, vata, kapha, paham. Pittakar, but vata and kapha can be controlled because it is hot. Vata is a shita, cold in property. Kapha is a shita, cold in property. But dhanyamla is a ushna, opposite, antagonistic action to Vata and Kapha of Shita Guna. That's why this is useful for Vata Kapha problems. Vata Kapha Prakriti, Vata Kapha diseases, Dhanyamla is good, but not for Pitta, not for bleeding, no. Ebihi eva yuktaihi Sauviraka Tushodaka. Ideal for the use of Asthapana Basti, that is decoction enema, medicated enema in Ayurveda is a part of Panchakarma Basti Chikitsa. Very useful, very useful. Two types of the Basti, Anuvasana and Niruha or Asthapana. Niruha Basti is called as Asthapana Basti. Anuvasan Basti. Anuvasan is containing only and only oil. Only oil. Like Sahacharadi oil, Narayana oil, Kshirabala oil. But in Asthapana or Niruha Basti, in addition to oil, there is a decoction. Are you getting? Anuvasan can be given after food, but Asthapana is given after digestion of the food is completed. This is some differences of Anuvasana and Asthapana. Asthapana is equal to Niruha. Niruha and Asthapan are same, but Anuvasan is a different. So this is for Asthapan. Good for the heart functioning. Love, dub, love, dub. Easy to digest, Laghu. Vata Kapha Haram, that is Vata Har. Kapha Har. Vata and Kapha Har. Then Sauviraka and Tushodaka. Sauviraka and Tushodaka also possesses the same quality like Kanji. Krumi, Rudrog, Gulma, Arsha, Sandhivigraha, very easy to understand. Different diseases, name of the diseases. Panduroga, Nibarhanai. Te Kramat, Vitushehi Vidyat, Satushehi Cha Yavaihi Krite. Important words are given, bold. Useful in the worms, Kurmi, roundworm, threadworm, tapeworm, whipworm, all worms. Amoeba, giardiasis, amoebiasis, use the kanji, okay? Heart diseases, Rudroga. Especially CCF, congestive cardiac failure, you can use the Dhanyamla. Abdominal tumor, Gulma. Hemorrhoids, even there are fibroids uterus, you can use the kanji Dhanyamla. Kafaja Arsha, not Pittaja. Shishka Arsha. And Pandu means anemia, low hemoglobin. These are prepared from dehusked barley. Dehusked barley and barley with husk. Remember the husk. Tushaihi. Dehusked Vitushehi. Barley with husk. Satushehi. Tusha. Husk. Husk. Okay. Then Sauviraka. Asuta prepared from Yava without Tusa. That is a covering is called as Sauviraka. And what is Tushodaka? Asuta prepared from Yava with Tusha. Satushehi. So this is the terminology, Ayurvedic terminology. You will be asked in the examination, what is Sauviraka? What is Tushodaka? You must know it. Past and present. Shukta, fermented gruel. Dhanyamala or kanji. Sauviraka, Tushodaka were in use since ancient times. But nowadays, beer, brandy, etc., alcoholic beverages, sometimes looking like replacing this traditional method of fermenting, Asava or Aristad or Asuta, etc. These are, one must think of it because we are having a very good treasure of knowledge. So the patient should be given the benefit of this kanji. Of course, I know many Vaidyas are preparing this Asutta, Sukta, Dhanyamla, everything is being prepared and dispensed. But day by day, we are seeing that these are practiced little bit less. That's only my point. Okay. Mutra Varg, next topic of Ashtanga Hridaya, Sutrasthan, chapter 5, end of the chapter, Mutra, group of urine. Mutra, Samanya Guna. Mutram, go, different animals. Aja, Avi, Maheshi, Gaja, Ashwa, Ushtra, Khara, Udbhavam. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Ashtau Mutra. 8 types of the urine Ayurveda has described in Dravadravya Vijnanya Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan chapter 5. You must remember this address. Okay. All these urines in general, Samanya Guna, common properties, Ruksha, making dryness in the srotas, in the body. Tikshna and Ushna, very hot. Pittakara, Lavana, Anurasa, Katu. Urine of cow, goat, sheep, mahishi, buffalo, gaja, elephant, ashwa, horse, ushtra, camel, and khar, donkey. All these urine samanya guna increases the pitta. So don't use in pitta dominant prakriti, pitta dominant diseases, bleeding problems. Be careful while using urines. Okay. Are non-unctuous, ruksha, penetrating deep, tikshna, and hot in potency, ushna, pungent, katu, pungent, with salt, lavana, as its secondary test. Mutravarga, group of urine, krumi, diseases, indications, shof, udara, anah, shul, pandu, kafa, anilan, sandhi vigraha. This is the only videos that you will see of Ashtanga Hridaya on Ayurveda Academy channel of Professor Deshpande, that each shlok is discussed with Sandhi Vigraha. Correct. Gulma, Aruchi, Visha, Shvitra, Pushta, Arshansi, Jayat, Lahu. Very important shlok. Useful in the worms, Krumi, edema, shof, udara, yes, ascites, peritoneal fluid collection, anaha, tympanitis, gas in the stomach, shula, colicky pain, pandu, anemia, kapha and anila, vata, kapha, gna, because both are shita, cold in potency. Vat is a shita, kapha is a shita, but mutra is a hot. So pitta prakop, but vata and kapha shamana. Okay, then abdominal tumors like fibroid, like cancerous growth, benign or malignant, try gomutra, loss of taste, poisoning, vision, leukoderma, white patches, and shvitra in Ayurveda, leukoderma, urine is useful. Skin diseases, kushta means skin diseases, not only leprosy, and arsha, yes, kafaja arsha, shushka arsha, and are easy to digest, lagu. Properties of mutra. In Ashtanga Sangraha, properties of each mutra type is mentioned. I know this video is of Ashtanga Hridaya, but interesting thing from Ashtanga Sangraha that I am also mentioning here as a complementary information. Okay, cow, goat, sheep, buffalo, urine of female is used. Elephant, horse, camel, and donkey, urine of male is used. Goat urine is very useful for the otalgia, ear pain, used in asthma and cough problem. Then elephant and horse urine is used in leukoderma. Donkey urine can be used. I'm not saying anybody is using right now. Yes, I know. Very scarcely that I have seen that these different urines are used in the practice, not at least in Maharashtra state. Yes, it may be used in different states. Let me know. They can WhatsApp me, sir, we are using this urine. But at least in Maharashtra, we are maximum time use only go mutra, that is cow's urine only. Okay. Then donkey urine used in hysteria, epilepsy, and diabetes can be used. Urine of human, so mutropachar, a different type of therapy. Some practicing naturopaths, they are doing swamutropachar, antitoxic. Shivambu Chikitsa. This is called as a Shivambu Chikitsa, drinking own urine. Some another video I will prepare for this drinking of own urine, how it is, what is Shivambu Chikitsa. I will tell you afterwards. Gomutra used commonly, Gomutra Sava, write down, is available in the market. Gomutra Sava is available in the market. Okay. Many times we give this Gomutra Sava for the hepatic problem. Cirrhosis. Yes, we can give. We can give in ascites, jalodhara, ascites. Okay. So, Gomutra used is always in ascites. And also Shitra, Bauchi, Lepagori. Write down. Bavachi, Lepagori, pest with cow's urine. With cow's urine. Okay. If I want to apply some pest for the arthritis, I mixed it with the Gomutra, cow's urine, and then apply. Then also that inflammation gets reduced. Next. Dravadravya Vijnanya, end of the chapter. Upasamhar, summary, conclusion. Toya, what has been described here in this chapter? Toy varga, udak, kshir, milk, ikshu, tailanam vargaha, madhyasya chakrama, iti द्रव एकदेशः अयं यथा स्थूलम उदाहृतः इति सूत्रस्थाने पंचमाध्यायः संपूर्णः. जलवर्ग वाटर, क्षीरवर्ग इक्षुवर्ग sugar cane, तैलवर्ग oils, मध्यवर्ग. Thus ends the chapter of Dravadravya Vijnanya, the fifth of Sutrasthan of Atanga Hridaya. So my dear friends, this is all about chapter number 5, Dravadravya Vijnanya, part 7, from shlok number 79 to shlok number, last shlok is 84. I am very, very thankful for your kind support and energy and good feedbacks for Professor Deshpande. Come on, Deshpande sir. We want more videos. We want more videos. This is the demand from my students, doctors, and patients also. So I am very thankful to you. So please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to communicate me, here is a paid online consultation, 9226810630. So I wish all the best and take care. Sarvepi sukhinas santu, sarve santu niramaya.